Hi guys, here we have a 2019 T6 California, VW California Ocean. It's the 199 brake horsepower, so the uprated from the 150 engine, but it's a factory, comes from the factory with the 199. It's not an aftermarket enhanced thing. Very nice car, very level, drives really well. It's got obviously got the sat nav, Apple Play, Android Play, got the front and rear reverse cameras, reverse parking sensors, bike rack as you can see, the table and chairs that stow away in the car. You've got soft close tailgate and side door. The chairs stow away in the tailgate and the table stows away in the it's electric sliding side door. It's not soft close, it's actually fully electric on this one. What a nice upgrade. It's got the later T6.1 roof, because if you look, you've got the full zip out. It's not just a little half moon zip out. Again, in very good order. There's no rips or anything horrible or nasty on that, especially the scissor action where they normally go. So all in all, that's good. You've got the nice little waist bin there. All the step lights are all really good condition. That's all your sat nav. That's your buttons for the side, for the electric. Try and show you for the electric doors. It's done 50,644 miles. Come around and show you that in a minute. Very nice bodywork. I'll show you the back here. Right, so that's, as you can see, tent awning for VW California. So I'm assuming, this comes with the vehicle by the way, I'm assuming those are the sides for this awning. We haven't set it up, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. That's what the guy I bought it from told me. Right, so we've got your gas bottle under there, and then you've got all your it's all nice and clean, tidy. The cupboards, if you look, aren't all scratched and battered, you know, as they can be. And these doors are all in good order as well. There's no splits in them. We tend to change them if need be. That's the digital aircon rear panel. There's your lights at the tailgate. You can dim them or dim them up, dim them down. But obviously that's down to they flicker on the camera, but they don't in the real world. The tent makes a nice little extra. It's got a spare wheel. That's where the chairs stow away in there. Right, so that's your table and chairs. Under there you've got your awning, it's all good order. Right, I'll try and show you what I can in here. Let's put a carpet to try and keep the carpets a bit cleaner. Right, so that's got my footprints. Right, 50,644 miles. You've got cruise control, you've got the sat nav. I'm leaning across here. Let's go to the menu. App Connect, you can do all your Apple Play and everything else there. And you've also got the wine cooler with this as well, which is nice. So when you open up this, you can put a full bottle of wine in there, keep that cold while you're driving. Can't open that properly while these are on, but it's your cup holder and bits and bobs. Cigarettes not being smoked in. I'm quite funny about smells, dog smells and fag smells and stuff, and it's all good. This is the T6 version, so you've got the dashboard covers, whereas the T6.1s, these are all open, and people complain about that. Drives really well. There's the old cam belt kit, so we've literally just done, it's got a full service history. We've just done a full cam belt kit, water pump, tensioners, everything, and full service, all the filters. And that's just the old ones, and we've got the receipts for that as well. That's the inverter, 150 watt inverter. That's for the buttons there. As you can see, it's got the illuminated cupboards, and they're pretty all scratch free and nice. Right, let's try and show you inside here. So illuminated cupboards, That's for your wastewater to drainage, so you don't have to put any horrible buckets and pipes underneath. That's your cutlery drawer, again illuminated under there. Got your tea towel rail there, and your coffee cup holder there, and the waste bin in that door. In here we have your water bottle. That medikit can go in that cupboard there. Obviously lead and fly blinds and stuff like that in there. Isofix seats, again all very nice, clean and tidy. I think they've had seat covers on these. You've got your overhead flight cabin, so I call that, which is that. In there you've got your illuminated wardrobe, basket in the bottom. Again, cupboard door, all nice. This is nice, got the 3 tray one that opens back. You've got double glazed window there and double glazed in the back and the side, so they don't all steam up in the mornings. Right, there is your sink. Need to wipe that bowl out. Right, your oven, well, your gas hob. If you look at that, very little use on those. And then we've got your fridge. Oh, nice, fridge and basket. Again, the step lights are all good, all the way around. Carpets are nice. You've got your heater and the remote. Comes out there, there, and there, I believe. Your electric folding mirrors. Being a T6, you've got the blinds that pull out on there, opposed to having curtains on the front. Try and show you the bed. It's got an air mattress. Well, not an air, as in blow up air, but I think they call it some, I don't know, whatever that is. Breathable mattress. There you go. You can switch the lights on as well, and I can dim them and make them brighter, and the other one's there. So there we go, and there's no holes in the roof or anything horrible there. And let's switch those back off. So all in all, very, very nice car. Bear in mind it's a 200 brake as well. All fully serviced, 50,000 miles. And with the addition of the cam belt, that's literally just been done as well. So the car's all good to go. So thank you for looking. Give Wayne a call on 07970 70 1166 if you're interested, and I'll do what I can to answer any queries.